Hello everybody, how we doing? Happy Monday. I told you last Friday, I said every Monday we'll be making money on this channel. All right, it is Wet and Wellness with it to know how we're doing. So there are a lot of things that are out there that a lot of people don't know. I want to share with you. I want to let you into the secret of the 1%. Yes, you agree with me that the ratio of the poor to the rich is very high, is very huge. So what are the rich doing? Yeah, what are they doing that they are making money? It's not, in my language, in my culture, when people are doing the extraordinary and people are wondering, okay, what's going on with these people? We usually say that those ones doing extraordinary, they don't have two heads. So people will be like, do they have two heads? They don't. We all have one head. So what are we doing with our head? That's what matters. So that you can join the club of the millionaires. Yes, specifically every Monday I'll be sharing with you on this channel Wealth and Wellness, of course, your health first, but then as your wealth is prospering, your pocket should prosper. Yeah, so what are they doing? They know some basic things that all of us, not all of us, a lot of us don't want to understand. And that single thing is that they take on opportunity. When opportunity, presents itself, they don't slack, they don't joke about it, they take risk. Yes, they take risk because life itself is a risk. But a lot of people that I don't want to do, they are just in the same place all the time. So are you ready to take a risk and become a millionaire? Yes, because this company is working with people. Yeah, let me put it that way. Working with people to make them millionaires. I am part of that group. That's why I say, okay, every Monday I'll be sharing with you what needs to be done. So you can see that there is a video on this website. That's the video you are looking at. I want you to go to this website and watch that video. And this is the company. That is where you'll be able to access the product. All right, and then go down here and send me your inquiry, whatever question you need to know. Now, a lot has been done about products, about this, about that. This, trust me, this is different. This is not binary. The binary system, I've done it before. I don't have time for that anymore. Where, okay, bring two people, the two people will bring another two people. We ain't got time for that. Things are shifted, things are changing, people are making researches by the day, people are doing investigations on, okay, what is it that works with people. So as you prosper, I showed you some of this last week Friday, right? I don't want to talk about product today. It's just about you making money. And for me, very soon I'm going to be sharing with you my dashboard where my money is coming in. So I don't want to be selfish. I want us together to lock in into this and join this family. They peg the number to 500. I'm already one of them. I will share with you what I've made so far, because it's just, you will see some people there, You would think that they are just sleeping at home. They are just home 24/7. Yes, yeah. It's not as if they are just sleeping at home, but it's the world has moved from work hard, work hard. If you work hard without sense, nothing will happen. The Bible says it is not even worth it to wake up early and then eat, sleep late, and at the same time eat the bread of sorrow. Have you heard this? Is the scripture? You have to be wise. So let me know, contact me, and I'm going to show you a lot of things. Like I said, today Monday is not about product. It's just about you locking in and joining this group of millionaires. I don't know who out there who doesn't want to be who wants to be a millionaire. You remember that in Nigeria? That's that NTA TV show that time. So who wants to be a millionaire? I am. How about you? So let me know. Go to this watch that video. That's a video that if you click on it, it's a video on this website. I'm going to put the link to that website on this video so that you can see it, and I'm going to leave again my number on the description of this video so that you can easily contact me. I don't have any number to hide, right? All right, people, I'm going to talk to us again. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let's make money together. Let's be millionaires together. It is doable. Stop working hard, work with sense. All right, people, talk to you soon. I love you. Bye bye.